Hello everybody, today we make a short video, but I want to make Baked Ziti. Now I got the pasta already boiled over here, I don't want to stay too long, and I got my own make sauce over here. Now we go over here on this side. Now for the pasta I got already all the ingredients I got fresh mozzarella, shredded mozzarella, pecorino romano, salt, black pepper, and I got the ricotta. Now to start, we start with the ricotta. Cause the pasta, you gotta cook still 4 to 5 more minutes. And I put the ricotta right over here. And I'll start mix like this, the ricotta. Vicino mare, e a pure il salt, m'amore, black pepper, okay. Now inside I don't put no cheese, nothing, but the only thing I gotta mix with the sauce. I got my tomato sauce right over here, and let's mix the ricotta.
The best ricotta if you can get fresh one, like fresh ricotta.
And we mix good now the ricotta. Cause this after the pasta, you gotta go right inside over here.
No, it's whole milk ricotta. We never use skim milk. We always whole milk.
And we give a nice mix because this after when the pasta is cooked, we put everything inside, but I'll leave it. Okay, a little bit more sauce.
Can you say hello to everybody now?
Hello everybody. Today is a beautiful day. And like I said, we make a short video like this. Everybody that keep a little busy and can make this recipe we make now. Vicino mare. Okay, now we gotta wait for the pasta to cook. Why we not do little salute cin cin to everybody? Okay, I hope everybody okay. And let's just say salute cin cin to everybody. Salute. Okay. And this, it look really good.
We will post the picture when it's done, everything. Because then it has to go to oven.
Okay, you know why? Let's put like maybe a little pecorino cheese inside, okay? I like the cheese. And let's put a little mozzarella, shredded mozzarella inside.
Do you know how many it was of the ricotta?
The ricotta was
One and a
about
half.
pound and a half.
Yeah.
Yes, it was a pound and a half. Okay, now let me see how long more the pasta. I'll put the time. Oh, the pasta is almost ready.
Hello, Bill. How are you today?
The pasta is ready. And now what I do, I drain the pasta.
Mary, she says she's drinking her wine.
Thank you, thank you.
And she's waiting for her dinner.
And I want to drain the pasta right over here.
Billy said martini time. No, we have wine today.
Wine. Okay, now we got the pasta right over here.
I'll put the oven on. I didn't put.
Okay, let me put the oven on. In the oven, it gotta be, I want to tell everybody, make sure to be 400, okay? It's 400 degrees, the oven. Okay, the oven is on. Now, what I do is I put the ricotta over here, mix, and we put everything inside over here.
Can you say hello to Doreen?
Hello, Doreen. Tutto
Ryan is make you mac and cheese. Everybody loved them. Good.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, let me put a little bit more sauce over here, 'cause I want to wash my pots.
John, the sausage video is posted on YouTube. You can watch it. Ah, Kathy, she make the bread, but it come out very wrong, very
happened?
dry. The bread.
Too
Maybe-
dry?
Yeah, maybe you did too much of something. No?
You cook it too long, maybe.
Yeah, the pasta is cooked al dente.
Yeah, the pasta take it out 2 minutes before. Okay. Okay, now this is done. Now what I gotta do, my son, I'll leave this in the back of the door for my son, and this is for me and my wife. And we put a little sauce on the bottom, like this.
Lucy, she says she make the bread come out good. I think you did something wrong with the bread. Maybe over bake, or maybe something was wrong.
I think it was cooked too long. So it's dry inside, too dry, and on the top it's too dry. I think it was cooked too long. Okay, now we start. Okay, I want to do like this.
Yeah, it's whole bags, 1 pound of pasta.
Okay, now what I do, I make like this. Okay, it looks so beautiful. All right, now I got a fresh mozzarella, and I put a fresh mozzarella over here in the middle. Okay, now I got the pecorino romano.
Tony, this is cassette. We playing cassette. This is his friend singing. Beppe Cuomo.
Okay, let me wash my hands a little bit. Okay, now we got the rest, the pasta over here. And let's put it on the top. And over here.
Thank you, Marcia. This is homemade sauce he made himself. You use meat for the sauce, no?
Yes, yes, I was using it. Okay, it's really, really good. It looks good. It gotta taste good.
Yeah, you can put meat if you like. We just have finishing up our stuff from the house. We didn't go shopping.
Yeah, you can make the meat sauce.
Jeremy is going tomorrow shopping, so
You can make a meat sauce, and you can do this. Everything. So you want, you can stick. You make a small meatball. You can put inside it too. Okay, now this is done. Now what I want to do, I got the shredded mozzarella. Let's put, before I put the shredded mozzarella, I want to put a little sauce.
well, he has video making sauce on YouTube. You can find or on Facebook. Yes, the pasta is pre-cooked for 9 minutes.
Okay, now we put the shredded mozzarella. I want to do this dish good because this is for Jeremy. My son, he come and pick her up. I have to see cooking on good. They say, "Pa, what do you make? Cheap?"
Jimmy said, che se dice Pasquale?
Che si dice? Oggi è un po'... dobbiamo stare molto attenti, tutti, e ce lo dica a tutto il mondo, tutti si devono stare attenti, perché questa corona è molto male e dobbiamo stare attenti. Ma facciamo un po' di tutto, everybody, let's say, salute e cin cin. I always say something in Italian, somebody asks me, and I say, everybody, you gotta watch this corona. And I want to say to everybody, salute e cin cin. A salute a tutti e speriamo che questo passi presto. I say, I hope everybody, these things, it pass so fast, this corona. And I want to say to everybody, salute e cin cin. And I want to finish my... I want to finish the rest of it.
Yes, ziti pasta, yes. Well, he doesn't have a cookbook yet, just calendar for 2020 with the recipes.
After one of this, it's a cook, and I want to cook this for half hour, okay? And when this is a cook, I want to make a nice and beautiful pitch to show it everybody. I hope somebody make it. Cause now everybody, you got a lot of time home, and like this you can keep a little busy. Now I got my pecorino romano, and I put on the top too.
Actually, we're doing broccoli wrap on the side. You're reading our mind.
Okay, now this one I don't gotta do nothing. This is my son, he gotta come and pick it up. But for this one, I gotta put in the oven. I want to cover with aluminum like this. Okay, you gotta cook this now for half hour. But I want to put the aluminum on the top, and we cook for maybe 20-25 minutes. After we take the aluminum paper out, and we will make a nice and beautiful color for the mozzarella.
from Orsara di Puglia, South Italy. Hello, Debbie.
Okay, look how beautiful. Now, before we put it in the oven, well, after the oven, we gotta do some of the chin at everybody, okay? Now, I'll put this in the oven. Okay.
Yeah, we have Shrimp Scampi on a video also. Please check his name.
Okay, now this you gotta cook for half hour. And we take a nice pitch after to show everybody. And I want to say, salute chin chin. I hope everybody be good. And I want to say thank you very much for your star. And thank you very much for everybody. Salute e chin chin. And we show nice pitch for the Baked Ziti. Thank you.